Hi guys, I'm Canine Crooner from Austin there, and so we're going to watch a video. This video is called Rosie Throws a Temper Tantrum in Thanksgiving. So let's watch it.
Are you serious? I am not saying that crap. I think it's completely pointless.
Well, at least you think it's stupid, but you can at least say something.
Yeah, and not everyone has bought me a new Barbie doll. Enough with the Barbie dolls, Rosie.
Okay, everyone. Now bow your heads. Dear Lord, thank you for the feast. Bless the food in front of us. Thank you for all of the blessings. And please, give Rosie another chance to be a good girl. Come every day. Amen.
Ha, ha. Real funny, Dad. Made me look like a stupid idiot in front of the whole family.
That wasn't funny, was
Not
it?
even a tiny bit. I feel like I shouldn't be in this family and move out of the house onto the bus and live my life riding the bus everywhere.
Rosie, all we want is for you to be good. That's all that we need from you.
I'm trying. I just want to buy stuff that I like.
Sure, if you give us permission.
Rosie, why don't you say something that you're grateful for? It's Thanksgiving. I'm just trying to keep the peace. Say something that you're grateful for.
No way. I'd rather play with my Barbie dolls 24/7. That is the only thing I care about.
Rosie, please, do it. It is just as simple no matter what.
Okay. I'm grateful for the food. I think it looks great. Toys R Us does the bang-up job. I love it. It looks so good. And I'm thankful for Barbie, My Little Pony, and family. And also Shopkins. I am thankful for that Black Friday is tomorrow. And, I am grateful for fashion, which every young females do. And, and I'm also thankful for my friends for buying my new Barbie dolls. After my stupid dad destroyed it.
So you do not appreciate anything that we like, huh? If you're not going to act right and be part of the family.
Please don't make a scene during Thanksgiving dinner.
Well, I have to. Because if you don't want to be part of the family, then get out. You're not part of the family the way you act.
I'm not part of the family.
No, you don't act right. You're not part of the family.
Oh my God.
Rosie is throwing a temper tantrum.
God, I'm so done.
Out. Now you are grounded for the rest of December.
Good for you. I'm done. I'm done. And you, I hope you have a great Thanksgiving. What a great family this is. You piece of crap.
I'm thankful for it.
Screw you.
Oh no. Now our